I love cats. They're cute and calm.
I like dogs. They're fun and friendly.
I can already feel a debate coming.
Yeah, this is gonna be interesting.
Okay, let's start with the first topic. Cats versus dogs.
Let's go. So, Rachel, you said you love cats, right?
Yes, I really do. Cats are so cute and soft.
Yeah, but dogs are more friendly, don't you think?
Maybe, but cats are quieter than dogs.
True, dogs can be noisy sometimes.
Exactly. My friend's dog barks all the time.
That's funny. My dog barks too, but only when he's excited.
That's sweet. Cats are calmer. They like to sleep a lot.